in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the nightlight feature on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Windows search menu and type in nightlight. Best result should come back with nightlight. Go ahead and open that up. And then where it says show warmer colors on your display to help you sleep, either turn that on or off depending on your preference. You can adjust the strength by toggling this to left or right, as well as scheduling nightlight mode by toggling this on or off. And then you can set your preferred hours right below. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.